Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, in Belmont, Salario, Graciano, Portia, Bassanio, Nerissa, Jessica, Lorenzo, all of them are there in Portia's house. And the sad news about Antonio they are discussing. And when Salario said that Antonio is in a bad condition, Shylock is wanting a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. Many noble people, lords, even duke, pleaded him, but he is not ready to forgive Antonio. This is the condition of Venice. He has brought this message to Bassanio. So when he was telling this, that I have never seen such a creature in a man, and he is wanting a pound of flesh, nothing else. He wants to destroy a man. That means Shylock wants to destroy Antonio. When he was telling this to all of them, Jessica, as she was standing with them, she says something. What she says, let's say today. When Jessica, when I was with him, here, you may be asked this question, who is him refer here? When I was with him, when Jessica says that when I was with him refers to her father Shylock. I have heard him swear to Tubal and to Chus. Tubal and Chus, two names. Tubal already we have come across. His friend in Rialto, whom he sent to Rialto, whom he went got some amount money to help Bassanio. And other person also here mentioned, so underline these two names, you will be asked. And Jessica mentioned two of his friends, Shylock's friends. His countrymen, that means Jews. They are from Judea, they are Jewish people. His countrymen means Shylock's countrymen, that he would rather have Antonio's flesh. Here Jessica says, my father, I heard my father telling this to his countrymen that he will get Antonio's flesh than the sum, than 20 times the value of the sum. He is not wanting money. All his aim is to destroy Antonio and to take away his life. That 20 times the value, that means 3,000 ducats, 20 times of 3,000 ducats also, if he is ready to give, I will not have it, but I will like to have his flesh. That means his life. That he did owe him. And I know, my Lord, so Jessica says, my Lord, she is addressing Bassanio, my Lord, I know very well, he is so malice in his thought. And if law, authority and power, so underline these three things. Wherever three things are mentioned, underline it. So 3 marks question they can ask. Law, authority and power. That means the Venetian law or the authority of Venice and the power of the Venice court. Unless until these three deny his bond, deny his bond, what he wants, it is very difficult. It will go hard. It is very difficult with poor Antonio. So it will be very, very bad for poor Antonio. So Jessica put forward the nature of her father in front of everyone. She says he is so wicked. He will take the life of Antonio unless the Venice court come forward with the law, authority and power to deny his plea. What was his plea? His plea was taking 1 pound of flesh. And Portia, is it your dear friend that is thus in trouble? So, one after the other, we're talking here. So, Portia could not put the other question. She asked Bassanio, what is troubling you? And he was just explaining what all happened to him and with Antonio, and Jessica and Cesario were giving their views. Now Portia is asking Bassanio that, is it your dear friend? So she is confirming, is it your dear friend that is thus in trouble? So Bassanio says, the dearest friend, not only my dear friend, he is my dearest friend to me, the kindest man, underline, dearest friend and the kindest man. Not only he is dearest to me, and he is the kindest man. That means he is kind to everyone. The best condition and unwearied spirit. Here the nature of Antonio. Bassanio tells the nature of Antonio here. So underline the nature of Antonio. Is a kindest man and best condition and unwearied spirit. Unwearied spirit means never he says no. That means he is so kind to everyone and always willing to come forward. Tireless kindness, tireless willingness, always ready, the unwearied spirit, a good spirit man in doing courtesies, and one in whom the ancient Roman honor more appears than any that draws breath in Italy. So he is the best man of Italy who carries the honor, and you can see the honor in the honors of Roman honor, you can see in him. So he is the best man in the Roman city, so Italy. So he says that he is the best. So underline this speech is very important because Bassanio gives a clear picture of Antonio's nature. So he is a man who is loyal, unweary in spirit, always ready to help others. Such a honored man, Antonio, is in the trouble. So let's continue what Portia says to Bassanio when he talks about the suffering and the trouble which Antonio is going through.